Jai Shri Mataji. As the day is auspicious, on the same day our mother told us we all are precious. She spent her life spreading messages of love all across the globe, taught us the living and gave rise to hope. Being in lockdown doesn't mean we can't count down. Wishing you all a very happy 50th Sahasrara. Here are a few glimpses of journey of our Divine Mother through the mouth of our sisters and brothers. Have a look.
Jai Mataji, wish you all a very happy 50 years of Sahaj Yoga. Happy Sahasrara Day to all. Shri Mataji was born on 21st of March in 1923 in Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh. After her schooling, she did medical and then get married to Sir C.P., who was in Indian Administrative Services. After fulfilling all her responsibilities as a mother and as a householder, Shri Mataji finally decided that the time has come for which the incarnation has taken place on Mother Earth. The Adi Shakti has came for us. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. Happy 50th anniversary of Sahaj Yoga to all the Sahajogis of the world. Nargol is the Pavan Bhumi of India, where in 1970, in such a dark night, Shri Mataji has opened the Sahasrara of the universe to save the humanity from fake trend of spirituality. She has performed many Sakara Swarupa Puja here. When the Sahasrara opened, the transformation changes in nature. She has explained it very beautifully in her own words. Let's listen it together. And once again, happy Sahasrara Day to all. Jai Shri Mataji.
As soon as Sahasrara was open, the whole atmosphere was filled with tremendous Chaitanya. And there was tremendous light in the sky. And the whole thing came on this earth as if a torrential rain or a waterfall with such a tremendous force as if I was unaware and got stupefied. The happening was so unexpected and so tremendous that I was stunned and I became completely silent at its.
आप सभी को जय श्री माता जी और हैप्पी सहस्त्रारा डे। श्री माता जी ब्रह्मपुरी में 6 साल आ चुकी है। 1984 से लेकर 1990 तक श्री माता जी यहाँ पे रह चुकी है और यहाँ से सीधा श्री माता जी क्रिसमस अटेंड करने के लिए गणपत को ले जाती थी। और यहाँ पे और एक प्लेस है जैसे पाटेश्वर है, जैसे शिव जी ने तांडव नृत्य किया था यहाँ पे। और ये जो रिवर देख रहे हो आप, कृष्णा रिवर है। और यहाँ पे श्री राम जी, श्री लक्ष्मण जी, श्री सीता मैया और देवी आंगलाई की मूर्ति यहाँ से मिले। इतनी पावन धरती है, डिवाइन प्लेस है, इसलिए श्री माता जी ने कहा है ब्रह्मपुरी को इट इज माई प्लेस।
Jai Shri Mataji, hello from Ukraine. My name is Mrs. Olga Roman Krocha and I'm from Kamyanets-Podilsky city. Today is Sahasrara Day and I want to wish you very happy Sahasrara Day and want to tell you that Shri Mataji was in Ukraine 7 times and gave us 11 lections in herbs of our home. Now we have a big family of Sahaja Yogis. Happy Sahasrara Day to all of you. Namaste.
This is Guts from Vashi, Mumbai. Basically, due to lockdown and in my village now. First of all, wish you a very happy Sahasrara Day to all my brothers and sisters from Sri Lanka. I want to tell you about the Vashi. Shri Mataji always said that Vashi is the Sahaj Yoga Kashi. So, as Shri Mataji maintained Vashi International Yoga Health Center in 1996 in CBD Belapur, Vashi, Nagar. So that's why from all the world services came for their spirit, for their ascent and for the meditation. So whenever whenever you will get chance in a life, please come to Vashi and just meditate in one health center and take a joy from everything. Shrimati.
Hello, Jai Shri Mataji. I'm Alicia from Brazil. Happy Sahasrara Day for everyone. So, Shri Mataji visited Brazil 4 times. First, in 1989, she went to Salvador, Rio de Janeiro, and Brasilia for public programs, and she also performed a Shri Durga Puja in Salvador. In 1992, she went again to Salvador, Rio de Janeiro, and Brasilia for public programs, and she performed a Shri Mahakali Puja in Salvador. In 1994, she went to Rio de Janeiro, São Paulo, and Brasilia for public programs. And in 1995, she went to Rio de Janeiro and Brasilia for public programs. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. A very happy Sahasrara Day to everyone from Navi Mumbai Yuva Shakti. International Sahaj Yoga Research and Health Center. परम पूज्य श्री माताजी निर्मला देवी ने इसकी शुरुआत 19 फरवरी 1996 में करी थी। बड़ा ही खास है हमारा हेल्थ सेंटर। CBD बेलापुर की हरी हरी पहाड़ियों के बीच में स्थित है। इसकी खासियत यह है कि ध्यान और वाइब्रेशंस चैतन्य के माध्यम से ऐसी बीमारियां ठीक हो जाती हैं जिसे डॉक्टर इनक्योरेबल या लाइलाज कहते हैं।
जय श्री माताजी, ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर। श्री माताजी द्वारा बनाया हुआ विश्व निर्मला प्रेम आश्रम, इसका इनॉग्रेशन श्री माताजी ने 27 मार्च 2003 में किया था। दूसरा श्री माताजी का प्रोजेक्ट रिसर्च हेल्थ एंड रिसर्च सेंटर है, जिसमें हम सारे जो सहयोगी ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर है वो यहाँ पर आकर अपने स्वास्थ्य से रिलेटेड जो भी परेशानी होती है उन्हें सहयोगों के ट्रीटमेंट के द्वारा उन्हें दूर कर अपने अंतरात्मा में और ग्रो करके साथ में श्री माताजी की तरफ और डेडिकेट होते हैं। जय श्री माताजी। हैप्पी सहस्त्रारा डे टू ऑल।
Jai Shri Mataji. I'm Nick from Romania and I wish you to all a happy Sahasrara Day. We're celebrating 50 years of Sahaja Yoga. Shri Mataji came in her physical form in Romania 5 times, and with her blessing, we're enjoying the company of a big family.
Jai Shri Mataji. Wishing all the Sahajogis a happy Sahasrara Day. I am here from Nirmal Dham Ashram, Aradgaon, Rahuri. Rahuri plays a significant role in Sahas Yoga. श्री देवी दुर्गा का यह मैका है। हर नवरात्रि यहाँ से डोली भेजी जाती है तुळजापुर, जो कि एक स्वयंभू शक्तिपीठ है। श्री माता जी को जब भी राहुरी के बारे में पूछा गया है, उन्होंने हमेशा कहा है कि ये मेरा मैका है। In 1984, Shri Mataji purchased the land. Until 87, the building was built up. With the help of bullock carts and local people, Shri Mataji spread Sahaja Yoga everywhere. जैसे गणपतिपुलम में अब सेमिनार्स कंडक्ट होते हैं 3 से 5 दिनों के लिए, वैसे ही सबसे पहला सेमिनार मुसरवाड़ी, जो कि राहुरी से बहुत नज़दीक है, वहाँ पे लिया जाता था।
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Vladimir. I am from Железноводsk, Russia. I have practiced Sahaja Yoga 20 years. Shri Mataji was here many times and I have visited her programs in Toliati. Jai Shri Mataji.
A very happy Sahasrara Day to all. I am from Noida. श्री माता जी ने भगवती धाम में अपने श्री चरणों द्वारा भगवती धाम का इनोग्रेशन किया है। श्री माता जी ने हमें अपनी विराट स्वरूप में और श्री महालक्ष्मी स्वरूप में पूजा करने का अवसर प्रदान किया है, और ऐसे बहुत से अवसर प्रदान किए हैं जिसके लिए हम भगवती के श्री चरणों में कोटि-कोटि धन्यवाद करते हैं।
On the behalf of entire Yuva Shakti, we wish our brothers and sisters a happy Sahasrara. Now, let me tell you the significance of this holy land, Ganpatipuli. Around 1980, Shri Mataji bought this place in the small village called Malgund in Ganpatipuli. and named this place as Nirmal Nagari. The significance of this place is that Shri Mataji said, here the Sri Ganesha at the Muladhar Chakra becomes Mahaganesha in the Virat. Also,
Jai Shri Mataji, I'm Petra. I was born in Bulgaria, met Sahaja Yoga in Italy in 2012, and now I'm living in Romania, married to a Sahaja Yoga.
जय श्री माता जी, सभी भाई बहनों को सहस्रार डे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। श्री माता जी 1984 से लेके 1990 तक ब्रह्मपुरी में आती थी और इसी साइड में वास्तव करती थी।
My name is Olga. I'm from Kyiv, Ukraine. I have lived there around 4 years. Shri Mataji was here in Ukraine 11 times. Jai Shri Mataji.
जय श्री माता जी, सभी साधकों को सहस्रार दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। पीके सर्विंग कला प्रतिष्ठान ऑफ वैतरणा, यह मुंबई से पास ही में है, जिला शाहपुर में। इसका इनॉग्रेशन 2003 में श्री मां के हस्ते हुआ है। श्री मां ने कुछ सुंदर ही कहा है, आत्मा बनने के लिए संगीत एक दिव्य प्रेरणा है।
This moment of taking your self-realization will change your life and will transform your life forever. It is truly the best description of having your Kundalini awakened. Let it be known all over the world that the only way to save this world and to save humanity is through self-realization. In the name of Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, the Adi Shakti, may we all find all the seekers of the world and bring them to Sahaja Yoga and give them their self-realization and allow them to enjoy this blossom time with us. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Mataji. Happy Sahasrara Day to everyone and Nirmal love to everyone.
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Anand from Poland. I come from a Sahaj family. In the history of Sahaja Yoga in Poland, Shri Mataji visited our country 6 times, starting from 1990 for 6 years till 1996. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. I am Dino Pole from Durban, South Africa. Practicing Sahaja Yoga has made me aware of myself. Today, I am a better and satisfied person than what I was before coming to Sahaj. Daily meditation gives me strength, focus, clarity, and helps me to face the challenges of life with calmness, confidence, and detachment. There can't be any better blessing than knowing oneself. Jai Shri Mataji.
जय श्री माता जी। सहज योग के 50 साल पूरे होने के उपलक्ष्य में आप सभी भाई बहनों को 50 साल की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। जय श्री माता जी।
Wish you a very 50 years of Sahaj Yoga. Jai Shri Mata Ji.
Happy Sahasrar Day. Jai Shri Mata Ji. Happy 50 years of Sahaj Yoga. Jai Shri Mata Ji.
I'm sure that one day all of us will live together all the time, eternally.